welcome to my channel Maths Time with Sagar. So today I'm going to teach you how to find the derivative of x cube plus 7x square plus 6. So first of all, what we will do is we'll suppose let y is equal to x cube plus 7x square plus 6. Then we will take dy by dx, and here also we'll take d by dx of x cube plus 7x square plus 6. Yeah, so here what we have to do is we have to find the derivative of each and every one. Okay, so first of all we'll take d by dx of x cube, then plus d by dx of 7x square, then d by dx of 6. Okay, we can write this in the bracket also, no problem. Then after this, what will be the derivative of x cube? So if there is x cube, we have to write the power first of all, then we have to write the variable, and at the same time we have to subtract the power by 1. So if there is 3, then we have to subtract 3 minus 1. Here what we have to do is we do not have to find the derivative of 7. So first of all you write 7, okay, then you write d by dx of what is the variable here, x square. So you write x square plus d by dx of 6. So derivative of a constant number is always 0. So 6 is a constant number, so its derivative will be 0. Then 3 minus 1 will be 2. Then 7 you can write here into, okay, then derivative of x square will be how much? First of all write 2, then you write x, then this power 2 will be subtracted by 1, then 0. If you write also fine, if you do not write also fine. So 3x square plus 7 into 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 0. So 3x square plus 2x into 7 is 14x plus 0, no need to write. So this is our answer. So hope you like this video. If you really like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.